Yeah, good afternoon. Sorry. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, but here is good afternoon. I am living in Kuwait. Good evening. Thank you.
Okay, okay. How are
Yes,
you?
I'm good. I'm very good. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Nutan and I'm from India. Currently, I'm living in Mathura, which is in UP. I'm a homemaker and I have a YouTube channel. If I tell you about my qualification, then I'm graduate from commerce and I'm blessed with two kids. So this is all about me. Thank you.
Yeah, I knew to you. I knew you because sometime I watch your video.
Okay. So may I
So
know
it's
something about you?
yeah, it's my turn. My name is Sarfraz Ahmad. I hail from Uttar Pradesh, district Varanasi. But this time I'm living in Kuwait. I am working as a technician in mechanical department. Simultaneously, I am improving my spoken English. If you are talking about my education, so I am not well educated person. I just passed a class. All about me.
Okay. Okay. Dear, English is nice.
No, no, no. My English is not nice. I'm learning. I'm on the way. I'm learning every day.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So if you have any queries, then please go ahead.
Yeah, you can ask me. No problem. If you have any query to ask me.
Okay. So how long have you been living here in Kuwait?
I have been living in Kuwait since 2015.
2015, long time.
Long time. Yes.
Yeah. So when you interact with people, so you talk with them in English, right?
No, no, no. Most of
So
the my colleagues, my friends, they are Indian. That's why most of the time I speak Hindi.
you speak Hindi there. Okay.
Yeah. There is no English environment. They speak
Okay.
Hindi. Yeah. I think in Kuwait, 8 lakh Indian peoples are working in this country.
So what about the people like who are like native people? So when
Yeah.
you interact with them, so what about that? How do you deal with them?
Then regional language is Arabic. They speak Arabic, so I know little
Okay.
bit. I can communicate little bit.
Yeah, because it's a long time you have been living here. Okay.
Yes.
So you live here with your family or you are living here alone?
No, no, I live in alone. I live alone in this company because I am worker. I'm not. I I can live with my family, but my salary should be smart. That's after that
That
I
is,
can live.
yeah,
But
absolutely.
I am just working as a technician, so I'm not affordable to live with my family.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. So,
So,
ma'am,
yeah. Hmm.
yeah, you are a YouTuber.
Yes, I have a channel.
Yes, every day I think every day I watch your video with. Recently, I watch your video with Ram sir.
It was for his channel, not my channel.
But
So
yeah, but
it has nothing to do with like my benefit. If you watch that video with Ram, that's for his channel, not for my channel.
sometime I watch your channel. I'm also subscriber your
Okay,
channel.
okay. Thank you so much for that. Okay.
Often I
Your
watch.
voice, no, sir, your voice not coming. Please repeat it again, whatever you said.
I'm saying, ma'am, कि whenever you upload your video in your YouTube channel, I
Okay.
watch. I extremely wait your video.
Okay. Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you. Okay.
Your
Yeah.
English is very good. You speak English very well. You use very vocabs, very fancy word nowadays.
Thank you for this. Thanks
Yeah.
for your kind words. Okay. Tell me something about Kuwait, like the culture and the, like cuisine, like food items. Yeah.
Yeah, food item. I think we are Indians, so we like only Indian food, and there's so many Indian restaurant outside. If you want to eat, so you can go and you can take it. And if it's talk about the Arabic person, Kuwaiti person, they have different kind of food. Yeah.
Okay,
They
eating
don't like
habits. Okay.
and don't like it hot. They like it normal.
Okay. They
Yes.
don't like food to be piping hot. It should be in a
Yes. Yes.
normal temperature, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so since you have been living here for a very long time, so initial days when you like reached there, so what kind of like difficulties or hurdles you faced back then? Like, when it comes to mingle with the people, uh, you know, integrate with the society. So any kind
Yeah.
of difficulties you faced. So would you like to share?
I think I am working good company. My company is working under the government company. So everything
Okay.
is very good. According to my if I share my food, accommodation, transportation, medical, so everything provided my company. So I do not face any kind of problem. So I am very good. I'm facing any kind of problem.
Sir, one second, बंद कर दो. Off the alarm. Sorry to interrupt you, and please cut this part while editing.
Yeah. I think I'm saying, ma'am,
Yes.
I am working such a nice company. This
Okay.
company working under the government company, and
Hmm.
I am you consider I am working the government work. This is the government activity. So
Okay.
everything. If you are talking about my lifestyle, so lifestyle is also very good. My companies provide food, accommodation, transportation. Everything's provided by company, and I am feeling very well.
Okay. Nice. Good to hear that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So last time, when you like came back to India,
Yeah.
would you like to share something? At what time?
Ma'am, I am living in this country since I earlier mentioned 2015. From 2015 till 19, I worked in this company, other
Hmm.
company. Then I
Okay.
gave resign my company, and I
Okay.
returned. Yeah, I back to India. That time I started my own business, but due to some COVID pandemic, that's why I did not get success. So last time I came here on 28th March 2023. It's been 18 months already completed. And if you are talking about my work, so my work is near about to completed my end of the project. I am facing like this.
Okay.
So company released me, and I am sit idle in the room. So I am waiting my number. Company when my company will give me ticket as well as settlement, then I will return back to India.
Okay. Meaning,
Yeah, ma'am.
so in between years, you haven't come here in India, or anytime you came here.
Every years, every 15 month, 12 month, 13 month, I go to India, my country.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any kind of feelings kind of inhibition, or sometimes homesickness. This feels like when we are like living far away from our home. So these kind of difficulties you faced earlier back then, like 9-10 years back, kind of
But
feelings, living far away from your like family, from your
getting,
country, home country.
I am getting your point,
Yeah.
ma'am. I am missing a lot to my family.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
the compulsion. This is
Hmm.
not my wish. This is the compulsion
Out of
because
compulsion, yeah, you're
yeah,
doing this.
because nowadays in India, I think employment is not over there. So that's why I tried so many time in India to find out my job, but I did not get success. So finally, I decided I have to go to abroad for in order to earn money.
Okay, nice. So that time, what did you do? What did you do? Kind of things like formalities and
Yeah,
documents. And the study you were saying earlier that you completed only up to eighth class.
yeah,
Your study, yeah.
yeah.
So how did you manage things that time?
Ma'am, first time I went Abu Dhabi, UAE,
Okay,
and I am working as a pipe fitter. So I took training from Mumbai.
okay,
Yeah. So after that, I gave interview in Kerala. So I
okay,
cracked interview. That time, I have this is the my this is the my childhood desire. English speaking is my childhood desire. But
okay.
earlier I had not idea to get fluent into English. So that time, whenever I give interview, always I give interview in English, whether it is broken or not.
Okay. This is the spirit, and this should be the spirit that you juggled things in English, whether it was broken English, busted English, but you juggled all the things in English. So that's really commendable, I would say.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah.
So nowadays, what are you doing? Like kind of things to improve your English.
Every day, madam. When from nowadays, I think 10 days ago, I sit idle in the room. I don't have
Hmm.
any kind of activities, and one time, two time, I take session. This is the my schedule. And
Okay.
whenever, yeah, after that, I read newspaper and self practice also. I speak in front of camera after, and then I see my video. I watch my video where am I making mistake and
Hmm.
like this. And sometimes I am doing shadowing practice. I'm but
Great.
gradually I'm learning.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Nice. Really commendable, I must say. You
Yeah, but
are putting so much efforts.
ma'am, you speak English very well. I appreciate you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I, I think if I am not correct or wrong, I think you are feeling some, you have some health issue before. Am I right?
Earlier I was suffering from, but now
Yeah,
I'm completely well. Thank you. Thank you for your concern.
yes,
Now I'm
yes, yes.
good. Yeah.
Your every video I watch. Yeah, sometimes mostly you talk uh, lady.
No,
Yeah,
I talk with the male, female both. There was a
okay, ma'am.
time when I had a kind of fear. Okay.
Yes,
Now
yes,
I feel very confident when I am talking with anybody, whether it's male, female. Yeah.
yes, yes. And apart
Okay.
from,
Hmm.
so you mentioned you are a homemaker.
Yes, yes.
So apart from, do you do any kind of activity?
Like teaching. Are you talking about something, kind of working? No,
Okay,
like I have started taking classes, but due to my health issues, so I declined to people. I was like,
okay.
no, I just can't do this. Right now I'm teaching somebody.
So
That's it.
can you teach online or offline?
Yeah, I'm teaching online, but two people I declined. Two and three, I don't remember this time. Yeah, so I declined because performing the household chores and making videos, and on top of that, teaching somebody. So sometimes I feel like drained,
Yeah, yeah,
depletion. Yeah, so this I can't tolerate. First, the health is the on the priority list, right? And we need to take care our health first of all. So
yeah, ma'am.
that is why I just took the decision that I need to decline.
Oh,
Yeah.
ma'am, your English style is very good, and you speak very well, and gradually you are learning every day. And I think one day you will speak like a native speaker, definitely.
Thank you once again. But I just love my way, the accent, like the real. It's
Yeah,
authentic, accurate, right?
yeah,
So I'm not running behind the accent of like native speaker.
yeah,
I
ma'am.
really respect the things and the wishes you are giving me, but I really love the way I speak, meaning my actual voice, the
Yeah,
words I'm using, the way I'm saying things. I really like the way I say things. Yeah, but I really appreciate. You have said so many things. You have appreciated me so far. So I really, really appreciate and thank you for your kind words.
Yeah, thank you. No, ma'am, no, you have quality. That's why I'm saying.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, you have any queries? Then please go ahead regarding anything, like whether it's about English or anything. Yeah,
What does your husband do?
my husband has a business,
Which kind of business, if you don't
paper,
mind?
paper.
Paper.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. But I am not getting paper. What is the paper?
Like, okay, I just can't tell you all the things like this, disclose all the things like on camera. But you can
Okay,
understand like a paper business, paper cuttings and all the things.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So, your it means business is going on good or not
Yeah,
nowadays?
very well, very well. Everything is
So,
fine.
what about your YouTube channel?
My channel is going good, and I don't have really concern about that. See, I don't have any kind of expectation from anything, whether it's my like channel or anything like to a person. No, I'm totally contented person all the time. I'm totally like happy person all the time, satisfied.
Yeah, ma'am. I have also one channel. I created my one channel 3 months ago. I
Okay.
created a YouTube channel on 21 June 2024. So it's been three
Hmm.
months. So
Okay.
I did very huge mistake in my channel.
What was
Yeah, it
that?
yeah, it was I uploaded one video and that video was not related to English.
Okay.
And that video got viral.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
So yeah, this time I have 2,394 subscriber, and you consider all subscriber. I think 95% subscriber I got by that video.
Okay.
So this is
This
very
happens.
mistake. After after that, my views very less. Whenever I upload my YouTube channel, my YouTube conversation video, I it means my view is not good. So please give me some bunch of advice about my views. How can I gain my views, ma'am?
You can open your another channel for English stuff because the video you were talking about that went viral. So and it that video was not related to English stuff. That
Only
is what you were saying.
only one video.
Yeah, one video. So the subscribers you got at that moment, it was for because of that particular video,
Yeah,
which gained so many like views, right? So and
yeah,
you are nowadays you are making like English stuff videos, English related videos. So to my
yeah,
mind you need to open another channel, other channel for English stuff, because the subscribers you have gotten so far, it is because of that particular video that went viral,
yeah.
right? So your subscribers are not really interested in English stuff, maybe this could be the reason.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yes,
so try to open another channel for a different name. This will
yeah.
run, I think. Yeah.
I initiated my channel where I used to upload only English contents. In the
Okay.
middle, I did mistake like this, ma'am. So should I create once again another channel?
You can wait for like some time, or else you can go for the second option, like opening another channel and again
Okay.
starting over things. Yeah.
O- Okay. Thank you for giving good advice.
Okay. Okay, sir,
Yes.
let's wind up the session because my time does not allow me to stick anymore because the video is quite long. So let's
Yeah.
wind up the session. And thank you
Thank you.
so much. You gave me your precious time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You can share your channel link. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I will
Okay.
share your channel.
I'll
Okay.
subscribe. I'll subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay. Okay.